You have a song. You want a music video. But you don't have a camera crew. You don't have editing skills. You don't have a budget. Until today, that meant no video. But there's an AI tool that changes everything. It's called InVideo. And in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn any song into a professional music video with zero editing experience. Let's get into it. InVideo is an AI video creation platform backed by the same investors behind Stripe, Spotify, and ByteDance. It has over 200 AI models built in, including Cdance for video generation, Veo for cinematic quality, and 11 Labs for music. It gives you access to millions of stock clips from iStock and Storyblocks. And it lets you create videos just by describing what you want. Here's how you create a music video in 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to InVideo and start a new project. Choose the AI video generator. You don't need to know anything about editing. You just need to describe your video. Step 2. Upload your song or paste a link to it. InVideo accepts audio files, YouTube links, Spotify links. The AI analyzes your track, it detects the tempo, the energy, the mood. Step 3. Describe your vision. What should the video look like? What's the style? What's the vibe? Here's what a good prompt looks like. Create a music video for an emotional pop ballad. Cinematic shots of a person walking alone through a city at night. Rain, neon reflections, silhouettes. Slow motion. Warm color palette with deep blues and oranges. Cuts sync to the beat. Mood, melancholic but hopeful. Step 4. InVideo generates your video. It picks relevant clips from its library of millions of stock videos. It adds transitions that match your beat. It generates subtitles if you want them. It applies color grading to match your described mood. The entire generation takes about a minute. Step 5. Review and refine. If you want to change a specific clip, just click on it and describe the replacement. Make the scene more intimate, close-up of hands, soft lighting. InVideo swaps it in seconds. If you want different pacing, adjust it. If you want the cuts to hit harder on the chorus, tell it. Step 6. Export. Your music video is ready. Download it in HD or 4K. Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere. This isn't just a slideshow generator. This is a full video creation engine. The AI understands pacing, mood, visual style. It matches clips to your music's emotional arc. When your chorus hits, the visuals intensify. When your bridge breathes, the shots slow down. The result feels like someone actually edited it. And here's what makes InVideo different from other AI video tools. First, the stock library. 5 million plus clips from iStock and Storyblocks. These aren't AI-generated weirdness. They're real, professional, licensed footage. People, places, objects, nature, cities, abstract visuals, all rights cleared for your use. Second, brand consistency. You can upload your brand assets, logo, colors, fonts, and InVideo automatically applies them to every video. Your music videos always look like you. Third, multi-format. You create a music video once, and InVideo automatically generates vertical cuts for TikTok and Instagram Reels, square cuts for Facebook, and landscape cuts for YouTube. One creation, every platform covered. Fourth, the AI models. InVideo gives you access to Cdance 2.0 for realistic human movement, Veo 3.1 for cinematic quality, Kling 3.0 for creative visual generation. You can choose which AI model powers your video depending on what kind of look you want. For musicians, this is a breakthrough. You can release a single today and have a music video on YouTube tomorrow, without a camera, without an editor, without a budget. You can create Spotify canvases, those looping visuals that play on Spotify, in seconds. You can make social media teasers, lyric videos, behind-the-scenes content, all from the same platform. Here's a real workflow. Monday, you finish mixing your track. Tuesday, you upload it to InVideo, describe the vibe, and generate a full music video. Wednesday, you generate vertical cuts for TikTok and Instagram. Thursday, you create a Spotify canvas. By Friday, you have a full visual package for your release, and you haven't spent $1 on production. InVideo has a free tier to test it out. The paid plans start around $28 per month for serious creators. Compared to hiring a video editor for hundreds of dollars per video, it's a no-brainer. The link in the description gives you access to try it. If you're an independent artist who's been avoiding music videos because they're too expensive or too complicated, this is your solution. AI has democratized music production with tools like Suno and Flow Music. Now AI is democratizing music video production with InVideo. If this helped you realize you can make music videos today, hit like and subscribe. Have you tried AI video creation for your music? What's been your experience? Drop it in the comments. Link in the description. Now go make your music video.